Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, wanted to give you a quick heads up if you're traveling to Italy anytime soon. I was following Kathy from Dream of Italy, and I like to follow her. She's got really good stuff on her channel and just really upbeat and entertaining. But she was on a flight coming over just yesterday, I think, and they came through the cabin and at the end of the flight, and they said, "We're going to spray something on you, so close your eyes. We got to do it or whatever." And she was like, whoa, wait a minute, because she has a condition called multiple chemical sensitivity, which I think a lot of people have, especially having been exposed to environmental toxins and things like that. You can develop these sensitivities and these allergies. So she was like, I want to know what's in this spray because it could be bad. She could have ended up in anaphylactic shock. I mean, all kinds of horrible things could have happened to her as a result of this exposure. So she went to the pilot, she found out what it was, and she actually got him to not spray it because it would have been a disaster health-wise for her. So the reason I'm posting this right now is to let you know it looks like an insecticide. It looks like something that has been ordered by the WHO, some insecticide procedures or whatever, or ordered by the World Health Organization to combat dengue fever, D-E-N-G-U-E. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But in any case, if you are concerned about having this kind of thing sprayed on you, definitely find out before you get on your flight, are they going to spray me? Because you don't want to end up in that situation. Obviously, she didn't know when she boarded her flight that this was going to be a thing. It just started in March 14th. That was sort of the date that they started doing this. I heard it on ITA and I heard it on British Airways. I don't know about these other flights. I'm going to be checking with my clients to find out. But definitely, if you have health issues, if you have concerns, find out, know before you go. I'm going to be writing a blog post on this on supersavvytravelers.com that has more information about the material safety data sheet and the product itself. So go over there and check it out. I'll get it up in the next day or two. And just like I said, know before you go. See you soon, guys.